No be fa ntokwabi enfa bagana. Me catch the fifi kwete. Me dunyankopo. Mamu create problem manima. Mamu me NDC no problem.
So what you secretary, the general secretary, are trying to bring in this election that has gone in East Iowa, so it will bring big problem.
I think we fight.
And why a serious fight within NDC as a political party? We say, "Oko chinyama yoko NDC ni mua." And tokwa kesiye bi astate efremo. Ni nyina fa Iowa to East constituency primaries na omukoya ye no. Omukope candidate. No oni MPP ni yakosi ni third match no. Primaries keke no. And tokwa be say NDC party do. Hey, let ya moko presidential primaries. I say number 2 bomb ni ayi because say just a single constituency primaries are more yakope candidate. E cover a whole fight about party with the primaries. Presidential and then the BC. Ya wa haye hwebusia. Finally Baba Jamal e camp abe fire back at John Mahama any NDC General Secretary Fifi Kwete for sanctioning Baba Jamal and nullifying the election results. Almost omontiasie. Oman hwe ya ejabeto party ni mu. Be man chiri mu no akere wadwen amame. E wo comment section. Aha yi Penyah block media. Mesra say any day mu. Obe like video no other about subscribe button and break the notification icon updates update na be chere wadwen da mame e wo comment section. Meso oba so a no ahye post enya bi ahwe. So na Saturday no I was East Bonanza. Oh, now any election, David. Oh, David, what kind of election? I mean, it was was East constituency Bonanza Day. Hey, it was such a great bonanza. Me come because you call primaries and you call NDC. was East parliamentary candidate because you have third match. By election for was East seat, you know. There will be a by-election. It doesn't this for no ekope enipa omu be na yeti training as on MPP ni duka kosia kan. Et anam so e ma yeko about mu Saturday na we Saturday when you Edward on my bro video on that. In fact, it was such a bonanza. Yeah, chemo, yeah, part and this in the party there. Bahama pe party asem too much. And this is for per party asem too much. Yeah, chemo, yeah, part, yeah, kivo gari, et say. Yeah, the more for the here that because onto about my we are come never do gare now very a symbolism. Yeah, mo anwa moto okada nyina da okada ka ho. Television set 50 million 30 million. Just say, see, and ya chemo mu that day no. Ebusa na nya easy. Obi free ho ba aso akọ shopping mall. Wako supermarket pa obi free ho okoto ba no obefia. Aso wako supermarket. My video wey fly on the internet. And I'm so some of the even NDC party members able to say there be ade Baba Jamal aye because start here Baba Jamal didn't na boss on na che niam ade awaye no yan sanction in fact yan nyini free party ni mu ankasa sada na NDC for na ebi eka et later ene hunu say krata bi free NDC General Secretary Fifi Kwete honomo aba ana omu kire mu say the attention of the National Executive of the NDC has been drawn to the widespread incident of inducement and vote buying allegedly perpetrated by some aspirants at the primaries in the Iowa East constituency today. The party vehemently condemns these actions in no uncertain terms as they represent an affront to the values and principles of the party and the rest agenda the party is championing. The party is immediately instituting a full-scale investigation into this matter, and we will take a swift action against any candidate found culpable. The party also wishes to make it clear that in the future, more drastic sanctions will be taken, including possibly cancelling elections when such incidents come to the attention of the party. Signed, Fifi, Honorable Fifi Kwete, General Secretary to the NDC. That's the Omode Krata Eba Abantana Omo Tiremus Ain. Idea see ya no omu condemn it because yabasi represent Ghana ade bia abetwam kwa na enye no yabasi bia yabetutu bia wo for say mo sa betwa we na say mo ediesa ka kire mo free na ekọ wo ebe hu say yakọ abatu mu a wo be bibi say bia no yabe sanction na abatu results ba yebetwam e ba omu de kratawi eba abontene later anyone say another krata so aba abontene na it is coming from the office of the president independent sasha Honorable Felix Ofosu Kwache, Mahama spokesperson. I almost actually said, President John Mahama has directed the immediate recall of Mohammed Baba Jamal from his position as Ghana's High Commissioner to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. The decision follows allegation of voter inducement in today's National Democratic Congress primaries in the Iowa East constituency, in which Mr. Baba Jamal, a candidate, participated. In his directive to the Minister for Foreign Affairs, recalling Mr. Baba as High Commissioner, the president noted that while the allegations of vote buying were made against multiple candidates who contested the primaries, Baba Jamal was the only serving public officer among them. The president has also noted that the president has also noted the public statement by the General Secretary of the NDC indicating that the party has commenced its own investigation into the allegation arising from the primaries. Without prejudice the ongoing internal party processes and strictly in view of the standards of conduct expected of public officers, the president considers it necessary to act decisively to preserve the integrity of public office and to avoid any perception of impropriety or conflict with the government code of conduct for political appointees. The record takes effect immediately, and the Minister of Foreign Affairs has been directed to take the necessary administrative and diplomatic steps to give effect to this directive. Signed, Felix Ofotukwache, into bracket MP, spokesperson to the President, Minister, Government Communications. As a character is about one time say Honorable Felix Ofotukwache, Nensa NHS, and say Baba Jamal, and Oye, Ghana's High Commissioner to the Federal Republic of Nigeria. No, Mahama actually positioned as all because of vote buying a course one. The Iowa is bonanza na a course one, and now soon to know you're trained as that was a buy, you know. Na NDC if only be any aje. What I say? Na e be any aje. Oh, okay. Mahama yeah there because I do an anchor MP before. Any boy ye chi 18. Mahama so what me? You on one party member for this action. Anyway, serious. Why are there? Quensma any was a character be so fra bontene aba. A character ne free Baba Jamal honum on one gas and nensa and a chassis. I say wait any and some or today. My attention has been drawn to a communique signed by the spokesperson to the president and Minister for Government Communication, recalling me as High Commissioner to Nigeria based on an allegation of vote buying in the just ended parliamentary primaries in the Iowa East constituency. The statement referenced a similar statement issued by the General Secretary of our party, Fifi Viavi-Kolte, condemning the allegation and calling for an investigation into it. I wish to state categorically that I, Baba Jamal, Mohammed Ahmed, have not engaged in any vote buying or election practices, and I pledge to avail myself to assist the party in its investigation into the subject matter anytime. Or just one Baba Jamal, hey, what did the hoodie na workers in the pay amamati as yes, or no, onye bibi sada. Oh, about to move cancellation proye, onye bibi asa, na hey, 7% na kura na mba ni fee na mba investigation na wabi na pana momra or no kura tonza for momra. I want to use this opportunity to thank His Excellency the President for the honor done me and the opportunity to serve my country as Ghana's High Commissioner to Nigeria. Finally, I sincerely thank the NDC in the Iowa East for the confidence reposed in me to lead them into the main by-election scheduled for 3rd March 2026. Now, I don't want to say election results in the Tribune. I want to say I cancel that. Baba Jamal and say you Tribune. I want that delegate assist o mo to ababa no wonder o ma say I want to see you Tribune that said. Now, busia na ebi so epon you say Baba Jamal ya me no can ask me. Na o wa akwatia. Na o ya akwatia MP. Enti esi mu say na obi a owo akwatia na o ye MP no. Ebe contest for MP seat. Ewo Iowa East. Esi mu say
ada na obu officer. Ada na obe fra kotia ba na en go to man say nye kode ya. Ni ma fodi ya kode ya geche. Oni be free ni village ya kotia to na wa ba na ye ya go to man ni ma fo. Ada ye jimi omo jimi. Alabi no mo. Hey.
Ebeso entia se na busia na dofo abe clash with John Mahama. Omu tirim say adena NDC mpanimfo pese omu ye di tia baba Jamal no. Omu anhwe ya e di eja ene wabeda NDC party ni mo.
Me say me kan tira obia e wa Ghana ha. Say election ayeye e wa mi ma no. E peaceful election na ayeye. E peace na ayeye election no. Mo bi mfa ntokwa bi emfa mba Ghana. Me catch them Fifi Kwete, my friend 3 times. And I also know. And the Crawford, no more, sir. Me do not go. Mamu create problem, manima. Mamu create problem, manima. And I'm Mamu NDC, no problem. Mamu NDC, no problem. Mamu NDC, no problem. Fifi Kwete. Me do not go. Mamu NDC, no problem. I will name my waswa. Who they release about election ayeye wa Ghana since Kwame Nkrumah even na Fifi Kwete who say the chadieda even na who Fifi Kwete who say the chadieda MPP election NDC election the chadibia ma delegate one kind of Fifi Kwete on him everybody because who say 100 million Fifi Kwete who and the man forward no in fact to him also. Man go NDC.
Why Baba Jamal?
Man go NDC.
I don't understand. Why Baba Jamal?
Fifi Kwete. Man go NDC. Oni me bra sana. Mo ba power. Na mo nye position ati wo. Mo ni me moja eshuo. Ansana mo nye power. Then na the NDC ba power. Bidu nyankopon. Fifi Kwete. Jiwa no fa fit ni masamso. Me ka bibia.
Fifi Kwete. You know something?
We are one family. We don't want any division. We don't want any division. We are all one family. If not because of politics that came and divided us, we are all one family. So don't try to bring any problem, any tribalistic or hypocrisy or darkness thing in ISOs. We don't want it. We don't want it. Why
Baba Jamal?
Why Baba Jamal?
You need to bribe people
Why Baba Jamal?
Become MP.
Baba Jamal.
You don't want that.
Baba Jamal.
I also know people that came and bribe people at the election ground. I have witness. They came and bribe people of $3,100. I have witness. I swear, I have witness. So we don't want any division. I also East. So be on your lane. I also know be on your lane. Don't come to our lane.
Obia Cheska and Obia my dear. Obia my dear. Mamu yesa.
Oh,
Jaja, soon Jaja, Fifi Kwete, Obia Nina no, Mfafi, Nima Ewasu, Kwasu, the Katibia. Soon,
names will be coming out. One lie. If they like, they should send us to court. We have witness. One lie. Be on your line. I will also be on your line.
Good evening. I'm greeting everybody, and my message is going to the NDC General Secretary, Honorable Fifi Kwete. With all due respect, Honorable Fifi Kwete, you know what you are trying to bring now? To only this by-election we are going after this primaries election and we elected Honorable Baba Jamal. You are now trying to bring the attention of the public that the voting has been by. It's not like that. What you are going to do, you will bring damage in NDC. I swear. Don't think about only Baba Jamal. What you are trying to bring, it will bring damage to all entire NDC. Because it's not today. This thing has been started. There is no primaries election that money has not been sharing to the delegates. No one can tell me he contested a primary election that he doesn't give any delegate money. And if you people are talking about bribing, who will bribe election and win with 32 votes? Tell me, who will give money to the public to vote for him that he buy them to win with only 32 votes? That is lie. That is fabrication. This is incompetent to all people that have that mind to bring that letter out from NDC headquarters. It's not only Baba Jamal. He has a lot of people behind him. And he has a lot of support in NDC. So what you secretary, the general secretary, are trying to bring in this election that has gone in East Ayawaso, it will bring big problem. It will bring big problem. Let peace reign. Let peace reign. Baba Jamal has won the election with people's choice. With people's choice. He doesn't buy anybody in this election. The same money is shared to the delegates. Is the same money the other aspirants shared to the delegates. He only had the television, and now score 32 inches has come to support from his colleagues to surprise him. And he don't want to take it and do anything with it. He share it to the delegates, you to come and take. It's your lucky. So if somebody sponsor this, he doesn't buy it with his money. How much is the 32 inches? When somebody want to bribe people, how much is 32 inches NASCO? Go inside the shop Fifi Kote and go and ask how much is the 32 inches television. It's not up to 1,000 Ghana. Then you are bringing this big letter because Baba Jamal has won the election. Don't bring that. You are trying to damage the image of NDC. You have even started damaging the image of NDC. Don't think about only Baba Jamalu. You will bring damage in NDC entirely. So this video I'm doing, please, if you know you are NDC, please share this video to reach Fifi Kote. To reach him and listen to this video, he will bring confusion in the community. He will bring confusion in the community. No one buys the vote. No one buys votes. No one buys the delegate. The delegate has to go to the poll and vote for their choice. Why all these problems? Why all these? Why Baba Jamal? Why Baba Jamal? Why Baba Jamal? Why? So this message is going to the direct to the General Secretary of NDC. Fifi Kote, don't bring this problem at all. And let me tell you what. After the primary election in 2019, when Baba Jamal lose the primaries, Baba Jamal called all the party. He called all the party constituency executives, constituency branch executives. He called them to come, let's come together. He shared the motorbike. To support the party. He gave the president support with some cars. No one tell him he's doing bribe. Is the 32 inches of NASCO television more expensive than motorbike? Or more expensive than car? Don't bring that at all. That at all. He supported the party. That time. No one come out and tell the Baba Jamal is buying people. Today he win the primary election. You as a secretary of the whole entire party, see the press release you are bringing out without the knowledge of the party chairman. Don't bring that. I come back again. Don't let us disorganize. Don't let NDC disorganize at all, Fifi Kote. Don't let NDC disorganize. Baba Jamal has a love in East Ayawaso Nima. He has a love. We need him to bring us in development. Don't bring that at all.
We show. Now we say we na initial. Eye Baba Jamal, Enna NDC for Empenasema na said because Osha or say NDC majority in parliament call for cancellation of Ayawaso East primaries. One in him, there be a yammy beam. Uni me one thing I mempe ewa my brother boom nyachum. Any nipa omuti we see a yomo say baby omo befa omo fa ye no. Ubi kwa kofa hwa aye ya pesamin kuminya ene ya ho ye nti no mo ye de omo di ya na like omo ye nioma bia ense na nya de emfata na ye mu se hu me hu se lot of people e ka ho asem ye mu sa ye hu se NDC for a more parliament ni emu hwan na ekopere tumi ekopere se opese wodi okọ parliament a wanche omanfo na de even President Mahama ankasa epere se opese wodi NPP wodi NDC political party anim as a flag bearer omo ekoto abama no oma obia 40 Ghana se won fanfa ka yemu se ho question se enipa na omo kwa akoto aba ama abayi President Mahama no aba flag bearer no that time no no maka kire nso omu ni lolo fe eno na momo frɛ ne se ye gift aye wotan ena mo de tan baba Jamal anasa de eno wo mo a omo kopere ye no wonum de ebi mu kyeye ebi mu kye motos ebi mu kye mo eno nso ne ebusa se omo so no mo so pese omo tonkofo vote ana wo hu nya atwom ene pese minkuminya wo de hye wa brabo mu ana wo de ka wa brabo ho a ema wo be ya ho ya na ho ya nso e de bayi honhom na ye de eba enti sanya wotan na mo de tan baba Jamal we nya first one na bi asi kurum ha NDC NPP political party shuman we na tim dada adani ya NPP fo koye kan say internal election ye ko pre flag bearer ni ya tikurum ha na ba bi ye onabuka Japan stone holes na bra champon onabuka Japan ma omo lolo fe 5 kan say 500 Ghana cedi na bra champon ayede akotua 700 Ghana cedi na Dr. Bomia kwa no akotua na ayede na abroso na we atua na abroso eno no na no ayede minya atwom de mimpo enti mun na kuroma no suban amode tia na esa na tie enti mun baba Jamal ngede anwe no ho baba Jamal prekese minum baba Jamal but you know a lot of new ma other people so no so yede eche nti so mo na wini ya nka no mo be prese anam kwa prese ye ntwam munya de mo ye no na baba Jamal fa yi a wa wini o manfo no sa na mo so mo fa ho wini ye.
My take is that Musa Dankwa should admit that he got it wrong this time. The methodology, the data, you are talking about data, the science didn't match what we also didn't match our research in Ayaso is constituency here. Because we've also done our research. I think Baba Jamal is not treated fairly. Because he won on merit. Because we have done a yeoman's job. We talk to people. We've been with the people. We spoke to them about our policy, and they understood. So for me, Musa Dankwa is the reason for this bra. That's what I mean. Because Musa Dankwa should admit and know that in flop you can't win all the time. The dynamics in Ayaso is constituency is different. Ball game. Yes. Because I'm repeating this thing. Nima, the market you saw at Nima is now turning to a market area. And now most of the people who rent the stores are not living in Nima and they don't vote here. They came from all over the place. Kasua, Ablekuma, Bokwasi, Isawam, right down to come and trade. You see? And the people who live around the Nima, most of them are hustlers. They go out to search for their daily bread. Nima people are hustlers. You see, you look, it sounds like Nima or I also is delegates. They don't have anything to do. A 32-inch, tiny 32-inch television can influence a voter. I think we are highly insulted. Most of the people, most of the delegates are landlords. Most of the delegates are well-to-do. So I think we feel insulted that a tiny 32 inches can influence voter turnout or voter advantage to a candidate. It's not fair. I think all this bra emanates from Musa Dankwa's bra. So Musa Dankwa should go back and do his work and correct his mistake. That is what I can say. Because we have been
with this party for long. I began my political career in Ashanti region, 2007. At the time, it's no go zone area, for NDC. You hide to wear NDC t-shirts. Ajakum, only Ajakum's era. He is the chairman, Bola Matali, the secretary, Alpha, I think he is the communication officer. We sleep at the party office because we fear that maybe somebody can come and bend the office, regional office. I'm talking about. So we think we know how election is being held. Many jurisdictions. We have experience with many jurisdictions what happened, but we don't talk. For me, I don't normally come on social media. We keep the party matters secret within ourselves. There are many things that we see, we just keep it. But for this one, if you are pushed to the wall, we will be forced to also come and see what we know. For me, I'm Abu Bakar Sadiq. Everybody know me. I've been almost all the constituencies. From Nalergu, Wale, Gambaga, Lagwisi, Jankpaduri, all down to Boko. I lived in Boko before. Malesani Kafidubu. I have been a student before at Sabombodi. So for me, I think we have worked for the party. This is our candidate. I think we fight. We talk to people. We have been to people. We spoke our policy to them, and they have taken it. So for me, I think we have won fairly. Baba Jamal didn't induce or maybe didn't bribe any delegates. Rather, people who are his lovers got things from Akotia, even without his knowledge, to come and actually donate. It's just like a charity. So for me, they should leave Baba Jamal alone. If not, that is, I think the stronghold of NDC here, I think there will be a problem here. We all don't, we will not be happy about it. So that's my
please. Etikaya was seat, you know. And get to say I could seat, you know. Ah, yeah, 50-50 to be balancing call both sides in na. Intikaji this and NDC for Kobe on by side way. Massa, dear Moyan, more say Niama. Samunyan who ya more say Niama. Delegate for TV 1,002 near Chichama delegate, no, and I who be that Ghana 1,200 TV na ya Chichama delegate, no, and only you who be Ghana had Ghana. When kwane election oma kwa sabi oma chiche sikana ena mu gu mu ho ani mase ena me ma we nko ena ma sizi we ena we adwuma abono 1,200 TV na ya chiche ma delegate niti obi adwuma kakraka abono na mu fi se baba jama na moye no enyo no na moye no eye party no mu ena mu gu delegate fo na ni mu ase ayawaso east ye ekoso ampenifo no enema moye no mu fi se mu kwa na moye mpenifo delegate for bro party co-opposition delegate for na be bresa akosi say party ni be sa aba power and aba power nti obi a kire ni tumi enti mu fi say seat ni te sa akotia seat na enka mo be yes ade we akotia the whole NDC ni abai because of sa by election ti empenifo e NDC mu nyina e bai e be boa e be kika nsema kese ama amanfo e wa akotia e to abane de ma NDC enti dia mo ye no mu hwe ni ye ma hu say ayawa su seat no eye NDC stronghold etino kwan bia mo pese mo de faso no mo de be faso na mo hwe ni ye de mo ye no emfa nkosi awie ye papa e wo comment section ayi Penyah Black Media Accra.